Hi, Vince here, Complete Home Remodeling, for another DIY video. This is a real simple video. What it's designed to do is to give you uniformity and a little bit of symmetry on putting pulls on cabinets in your kitchen, whereas otherwise they're missing. So this really never had any. And so what we selected was just a nickel, polished nickel, brushed nickel, whatever you want to call it. And again, the idea in this video isn't to show you how to drill a hole. It's not to show you how to turn a screwdriver. I want to show you exactly what you need to get the symmetry that you want and just a little technique that'll help you along. So first and foremost, we selected the knob we have here. So determining the position is really an appeal type thing. To give you an example, this is done, but I'm going to walk you through this. This is where we decided to go, which our hole is even with our profile here. And you'll see it's that way all the way around. The reason we went with that is if you look at it this way, and again, these are 42-inch cabinets. So if you were to raise it up here, which I've seen, to me, it just doesn't do the cabinet any justice. It just doesn't look correct. If you're too low, it looks like you're too low. So if you get that sweet spot, to me in my eye and the customer here, that seems to be the sweet spot all the way around. So let's swing it back over this way. And what I want to show you is something real simple. So what you'll need is your knobs. Okay. For this particular job, we selected a 3/16 drill bit. Make sure it's a brand new drill bit. When you drill, you do not want to punch the back through aggressively and tear the cabinet. This is what you want as a finished drill mark. Take this back over as well. Now, how do we get the center of this? There's a real simple technique. The other device that you'll need for like $10, $11 at a big box store, you get yourself a cabinet pull template. There are two. One is for the cabinet, stops up, stops over. You can outright select your hole, and in this case, you can see ours lines up right there. So what that means is for every cabinet that you go to put this on, example, if you were putting a pull here, you would do the same thing. Bottom it out, slide it over, and you would select the same hole. And you repetitively do that for each cabinet. Now here's a tidbit. Make sure you're drilling on the opening end of the cabinet. We've been doing this years, and every once in a while we get ahead of ourselves and we'll screw something up, and then we got to repair a cabinet or replace it. So the secondary template, okay, is for drawers. Same thing. With a drawer, the ultimate idea is to find your center and run it that way, unless you want a different look. And I suggest you do the same thing. You position the knob and hold it. Position the knob and hold it back and forth, up and down to where you think you want it. This particular setup in this owner wants it dead center, and it complements well. If you were to look on that side, you'll see it as well. Now there's two cabinet drawers here that you'll say, well, should I put knobs on there or not? They're non-functioning drawers. So the rule of thumb is if it doesn't open, it doesn't get a knob. And the reason being as well, as you stand in this particular position at the sink, your body will hit those knobs. Okay, so let's not psych out whoever's using the kitchen here and think that there's a pull there, because what you're going to do is eventually you're going to loosen up this face veneer cabinet. The actual drawer, which is a dummy drawer. So you don't want to have to do that. All right, last but not least, and then this video will be over. When you install, you get a large screw and a small screw. Small screw is for your cabinet face. It goes in. This is the reveal that you have in the screw head. Make sure it's not more than that. Take your device, put your finger on it, screw it on, push it back. Don't spin this around, because what you'll do is you'll scratch the surface of the cabinet. Then you have other issues. So you always dead flush it, just like that. Bring your screw in from the other side. My suggestion is get it hand tight, as we've done on this one. Okay, and then take your drill, put it on there, secure your knob, and just give it one little tiny turn, not even a quarter of the way around. and that'll keep that knob from spinning on you. So if you follow that simple practice, get yourself a $10 template, get yourself a new drill bit, select your knob, try out a couple of positions before you commit, and you can have a kitchen that not only is spruced up by the hardware, but has the symmetry of a professional install. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, hit the like button, and check out our channel for more than 100 DIY how-to videos. Thanks again for watching.